Well, taking a look outside from our Slim's Chicken camera, you can see there's a lot of activity going on across the region. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy start to baseball season for the Razorback fans across the area. There's a lot going on today. People are out and about. Hope you're enjoying your day so far because it's going to be a chilly one. Slight warm up with those south winds. As you can see, the feels like temperature. Not worth showing the actual temperature because it feels chillier at times. So that's why we're showing that. It's going to be in the mid-30s throughout the day, northwest Arkansas, just a little bit warmer into the 40s and upper 30s for the River Valley. So the thing we're talking about, we have this next chance of rain with this warm front. It's going to be making its way to the north. And then as that swings through, we're going to get those rain chances with the cold front as well. So rain chances late tonight into tomorrow. And then we also have to be watching for maybe a couple of spots late Saturday into early overnight Sunday for maybe some wraparound snow flurries across the area. So it's not going to be any sort of impactful winter weather. But the other thing, too, once that front moves through, those temperatures quickly begin to drop. The other thing we want to highlight, like I said, there's been a couple of people asking, hey, we know there's a severe weather risk across portions of Arkansas. Does that include us? The answer is no. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to hear any rumbles of thunder, but there could be a couple of thunderstorms across the area, nothing severe. We're not working with any of those ingredients. Further to the south and east, it's a little bit of a different story, but fortunately no severe weather for us. The next impact that we're watching, it's going to be Tuesday through Friday, and it's going to be basically a double whammy. We have winter precipitation with this next system, but we're also dealing with some extreme cold. And when I mean some extreme cold, it could be some of the coldest temperatures we've seen so far this season. And we're talking lows in the single digits, maybe even in the negative values. There's some models being a little bit more extreme. So we're going right down the middle with this for now. So stay tuned for updates. Prepare for the potential for winter precipitation and make sure that you are making sure that you have those jackets and stuff accessible. We're right in the 4 to 6 day window. We're watching the trends. Can't get into exact details now, but we can tell you there's enough in the models and with our forecasts that we're thinking that there is going to be, of course, some type of winter precipitation and, of course, that dangerous cold. So here's a look at the futurecast. Monday, just a couple clouds across the area. As we make our way into late Monday, notice some activity starts to develop into early Tuesday to our north and west. As we make our way into early Tuesday, that's what we're going to be watching. There could be the potential for maybe some mixed precipitation. The questions are, how quickly does it move in, the temperatures, and we're going to be watching that very closely. Once we get into about Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, then we're watching for the potential for more winter precipitation. That polar vortex is also going to be shifting to the south and east. As it does so, it's pulling those much colder temperatures into our area, and that means, of course, that we're going to see an Arctic blast. Notice that big dip with the polar vortex, and that means, of course, those temperatures, they're going to be frigid. And when I mean frigid, I'm not talking teens. Look at Thursday, -1 for a low, high of 17. Here at President's Day, it's going to be a fairly decent forecast, slightly mild. Rain chances Saturday, rain chances coming up into Tuesday, and then River Valley, same thing. It's going to be frigid cold. So enjoy this Valentine's Day, the start to baseball season. Enjoy President's Day on Monday. It's going to be cold.